I've had these headphones for over 2 years now, and here are the things that I love about them. First thing is the price. You can get these headphones. I got mine at Best Buy Canada brand new for around $210, but the best deals you can find on these headphones is around Black Friday and Prime Day. You can find them for probably around $169 if you look really well, or if Best Buy or any other store has them on a really good sale. So for the price, that is one of the best likes that I love about these headphones. Second up is the build quality. Overall, it is pretty good. Headphones are pretty nice in terms of build quality. It doesn't feel as premium as your Bose headphones, but again, those are $500, $600 headphones. These aren't, but adjustability is good. On these headphones, it would fit most head types. As you can see here, the ear pads on these have been replaced from black to blue. And again, I've had these for about 2 years. I've only had to replace these once. On my Bose headphones, I've had to do those about 2-3 times. That's a different story. So build quality, I would find, is pretty good with these headphones. The third thing that I do love about the headphones is the noise cancellation. Now, while it doesn't cancel out very high-pitched noises or people talking, just the general background noises, if you have these headphones, would do the trick. So pretty good there. And overall, yeah, I think these are some of the best features. Obviously, your volume controls and everything here could be easily found. Even if you have your headphones on your head, you can easily feel on the side to either increase, decrease, or turn them off. Charging on this is pretty decent as well. Even with the noise cancellation activated, you still get pretty decent battery life on these. So very, very good. Now let's come to the dislikes. Dislikes for this, I find, and it's only happened over the last 6 months, I found that these headphones start disconnecting. So once you have these connected via Bluetooth it doesn't matter what device, your phone, laptop, desktop, sometimes it disconnects. So that is a pain. So that's number one. The second, which is similarly related, is that these headphones are supposed to support multi-connect. So you can connect this to your headphones and your phone and your PC. I think up to 2 devices concurrently at the same time. I have not got mine to work. I've upgraded the firmware, I've downloaded the app, I've enabled the setting, and then it just constantly disconnects all the time. So that is one of the things that I don't like. Third thing, while the sound quality is pretty decent, once you do start to crank the volume up, you will hear pretty much a lot of bleeding or sound bleeding. You would hear them coming out of your headphones, so they don't keep the sound in as good as your Bose and other headphones. So that is one of the main things that I don't like. Overall, they are a pretty decent set of headphones. I will link these to Amazon if you want to pick them up from Amazon. It's an affiliate link. I get a small commission, so you can definitely check that out. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll be making more of content like this. Just leave a like and comment if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to answer them.